In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Netflix using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect so your membership starts without a hitch. Begin by opening Netflix either in the mobile app or on the website. Make sure you're on the sign up or membership setup flow so you can choose your plan. You'll see different plan options with varying video quality and features. Pick the one that fits your needs and budget. Don't worry, you can change your plan later if you need to. Once you've chosen your plan, continue forward until you reach the payment method screen. This is where you'll decide how you want to pay for your subscription. Look for the option labeled Digital Wallet. Select that, and you'll be shown a list of supported wallets. From the list, choose GCash so Netflix knows which service to connect to for your payment. Next, you'll be asked to enter your mobile number. Type in the number that's registered to your GCash account. Double-check it for accuracy. This is important because Netflix and GCash will use it to verify and process your payment. A single digit off can cause delays, so take a moment to confirm it's correct. After entering your mobile number, click Start Membership. From here, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. You may be redirected to a secure GCash page or prompted to confirm within the GCash app. Just keep following the on-screen instructions until you see a confirmation that your payment was successful. When everything is processed, your Netflix membership becomes active and you can start streaming right away. A few tips to make the process smoother. Make sure your GCash account is active and has enough balance or an available linked funding source to cover the plan price. Keep a stable internet connection so the payment pages load properly. If you don't see GCash under Digital Wallet, try refreshing the page or switching to a different browser or device. Also note that Netflix charges on a recurring basis each billing cycle, using the same payment method you set up here. You can review or update your plan and payment details anytime in your Netflix account settings. That's all there is to it. Open Netflix, choose your plan, head to payment method, select Digital Wallet, pick GCash, enter your mobile number, then start your membership and follow the prompts. Enjoy your shows and movies, and happy streaming!